Hey y'all, just an update. It's December 14th, 2019, 10:27 p.m. Spokane time. 6.9 earthquake has hit Ignit, Philippines. There's probably going to be a tsunami. So, most likely, it's a pretty big earthquake. It's 53 kilometers deep. So, it's relatively a shallow one, but not exactly. But that hit right on the island right here. You can see it right here. Let's go to topical view. Some terrain. Satellite. And of course, you're not going to have any US faults in that, fortunately. Interesting. So let's move over to a street view. Okay, so that right there is hit. Looks like between two small cities. Yeah, that's right on the island. That's a big one. I know some people over at Davao City, so they probably felt that one pretty good. And unfortunately, if this is a tsunami, they're in trouble. All right, well, hopefully a tsunami warning does not happen, but you never know. Drop out.